Mom, will you play with me?
What?
I said, will you play with me?
Oh, honey, I was just about to start the dishes.
Please?
Yeah, okay. We can play.
Yay.
On this perfect day, nothing's standing in my way. On this perfect day, when nothing can go wrong. It's the perfect day. Tomorrow's gonna come too soon. I could stay forever as I am on this perfect day.
All right, honey, that was really fun, but I've got to get back to the dishes now, okay? It's been easily an hour.